Greetings, second grade. Mr. Koga here, and I'm here with our game, Battling Bugs. So this game is a pretty awesome game because it helps us to not only do some addition practice, but also get a little bit of subtraction practice as well. So for this game, this is what you'll need. You'll need the directions for battling bugs. You'll need the game board for battling bugs. And there are two different game boards. What? Yes. Okay, so we'll do version A for now. You'll also need the dice that came in your November envelope, and you'll also need markers. You can use just one color, but if you have two colors, use both. All right, here we go. So to set up the game, you're gonna need to put your game board inside of the clear folder that's in your November envelope, this guy. Because if you color in on the paper, you'll only get to play the game one time. That's not fun. That's not good practice for math. So we want to put it in here because this not only protects it from getting all wrinkled, but look, you can color it in, and then you can erase it, and then you can play as many times as you want. So this is pretty awesome. Okay, I'm going to set these up next to each other, side by side, just like this, so we can play. All right, let's go over the instructions real quick first. All right, over here it says, player 1 rolls the dice. Add the numbers and color in the sum on your paper. Then write the numbers in the box. So luckily, these instructions are so great because it tells you the directions of what to do. Roll, add, color. Then player 2 does the same thing. Roll, add, color on the next line. Because the first player is going to be a spider, and the second player is a fly. Spider and the fly. Okay, number 3 says use both numbers to write a subtraction equation, and then write it on the side here. Oh, actually, wait, no, this one you're not going to do that. That's for version B here. That's where you're going to write a subtraction equation. For version A, you're just going to write the numbers here. Just the numbers. Okay. We might actually have to play both versions. We'll see. All right, then you write a subtraction equation. You play 2 more times, and you add up all the numbers for each player's total at the bottom. So for all these numbers, like this one, and this one, you'll put it here, here, and here for the spider, and you'll add it up. And then for the fly, you'll get the numbers from the bottom of each row, and you'll put them here and add them up. And then at the very end, you're going to color in however many the spider got, color it in, however many the fly got, color it in, and you'll circle who won by how many points. Okay, let's try this out. Let's actually play this thing. All right, I'm going to be playing for the spider first. Here we go. And you can even put your name here if you're playing with a family member. Oh, come on. 2 plus 1, I got 3. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. And then you write the number here. Okay? Pretty simple so far. All right, come on, fly. Lower than 3. Oh, I dropped one. Oh. Oh my god, it bounced across the room. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have 11. What? But this only goes up to 10. So if you get a number that's bigger than 10, just color up to 10. No problem. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go for the fly. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, poor fly, or poor spider. Oop, wrong color, sorry about that. Poor spider, only got 4 this time now. Okay, let's go for the fly. Okay, not as much. We got 6, 5 plus 1. Okay, and then let's go back to the spider. Come on. Ah, 9. That's a better number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And ooh, a really handy tool, especially for this activity, is this guy, the number rack. Because all these little problems, although adding the dice numbers together, that's a perfect skill for the number rack. Okay, on to the last fly. 5, 3 plus 2, not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, oop, forgot to write this number here. All right, so now we're going to take all the spider numbers. 3 plus 4 plus 9. And then we're going to take all the fly numbers. 10, 6, and 5. Okay, so now let's add them up. So I have 3, then I have 4, and then 9. So I know, watch, I'll cover this part up. I know that there's 20 beads altogether. If there's only 4 beads left here, that means there's 16 beads under my hand. 10, 2, 4 equals 16. Yep. All right, so this one got 16. Ooh, and I can already see 10 plus 6 is already 16. So I know that the fly won. So let's see how much the fly got. 10 plus 6, or actually no, let me do this one. 6 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. So 10 plus 11 is, 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 1 more is 21. Okay, so now we're going to color in the bottom part. Here we go. So I know these lines are in 5, so 5, 10, 15, 16. And then the fly would go up to 21. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. And then we look, how much did they win by? So it looks like the difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the fly won by 5 points. Not bad. Okay, so that's how to do side A. Let's try side B real quick. I'm not going to do the whole entire game. I'm just going to show you how to set up the problems real quick, because the rest of the game is very straightforward. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. Roll. Oh my god. And add. Jesus. Let's try one more. 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oop, forgot to write the numbers here. So now you have the two numbers. And we want to write a subtraction equation for these two numbers, but you can't write a subtraction equation with the small number on top. You can't take away 7 from 2. So let's put the big number on top and the little number on the bottom. So I'm going to get my trusty number rack again. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so then you do the same thing all the way down, and you grab the numbers, you put them here. Same thing overall. Alrighty, okay, I hope this helped, and I hope you guys have fun with this game. Don't forget, put it inside of the protector.